Hello, Jack. Hello. I am teacher Karen Purple from 5-1 Talk. What is your name? My name is Jack. Say, my name is Jack. Very good. Hello, Jack. Nice to meet you. Are you happy? Happy? Yes? Very good. Okay, are you ready? Okay. Listen to me. Eyes on me. Okay, Jack? Okay, let's go. Jack, look, we are going to sing. La la la. Okay, listen first. Listen. Okay, now we will sing together. Okay, Jack? Okay, so let's sing together. Hello. 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 Sit down. Hello. Hello. Make a smile. Hello. Hello. Give me 5. Okay, go, Jack. Hello. Hello. Give me 5. Very good. Okay, way to go. Okay, Jack. Now we will go to the next page, okay? Jack, look. Say, my face. My face. Face. Jack, where is your face? Yes, face. Okay, Jack, say face. Yes. Okay, all right. Very good. My face. Okay. Now let's run. Let's run to the next page. Okay, look, Jack. Look. Say nose. 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 Yes. Nose. Very good. All right. Way to go, Jack. Jack, where is your nose? Where? Yes, nose. That is correct. Okay, let's go. Now, Jack, listen. Okay, Jack, say nose. 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 Okay, way to go, Jack. You are very good. Jack, can you tell me, is this nose? Yes or no? Yes. Very good. High five, Jack. Okay, teacher will give you some chocolates. Yum, yum. Yes, chocolates. Okay, Jack, let's go. Now, Jack, listen. Listen. Okay, so you will click. Alright, when you hear nose, 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 you will click, click on the nose. Okay? Okay, are you ready? Yes, very good. Okay, so let's start. Okay, very good. So teacher will give you a star. Great job. Great job, Jack. Very good. Great job. Okay, now let's go. Jack, we will play. Look and say. Yes, look and say. Okay? Alright, so let's listen. Eyes. Yes, eyes. Jack, where are your eyes? Where are your eyes? This one. Eyes. Eyes. Yes, that is correct. Okay, so Jack, you will say eyes. 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 Okay, Jack, say eyes. Okay? Okay, so let's start. Yes, eyes. Alright, very good. Now let's listen. Yes, very good. Okay, next, Jack. Now let's play. Okay, let's play. Listen and repeat. Okay, teacher will say and you will repeat. Okay, nose, nose. I have a nose. Nose, nose. I have a nose. Okay, you, Jack. Okay, go. You can sing. Nose, nose. I have a nose. Nose, nose. I have a nose. Yes, perfect. Very good. Okay, Jack, let's sing. Nose, nose. I have a nose. Okay, very good. Now let's go to the next page. Okay, so Jack, we will sing. Okay, listen first. Listen. Yes. Okay, Jack, can you sing? Yes. You want to stand up? Okay. Okay, Jack, so let's sing. Nose, nose. I have a nose. Nose, nose. I have a nose. Nose. I have a nose. Nose, nose. I have a nose. Yay! Okay, so let's sit down. Okay, let's sit down. Wow, you did great, Jack. Okay, very good. Nice singing. Here is your star. Wow, a star. Yay! Okay, you are a superstar. Alright, very good. Okay, Jack. Now we will sing one more time. Okay, let's sing. Alright, Jack, where is your mouth? Mouth? Yes, okay. Jack, is this mouth? Yes, yes, it is mouth. Okay, so Jack, we will sing. Yes, okay, let's sing. Yes, very good. Jack, can you say mouth, mouth? I have a mouth. Okay, very good. You are a good singer. Alright, so here is your star. Yay! Alright. Okay, Jack, now we will sing and dance. Are you ready? Yes? Very good. Okay, let's listen first. Okay, so let's sing together, Jack. Okay. Nose, nose. I have a nose. Nose, nose. I have a nose. Yay! Mouth, mouth. I have a mouth. Mouth, mouth. I have a mouth. Okay, hooray! Very good. Jack, here is your teacher will give you another star. Wow, a blue star.